Hey y'all, before the video gets started, I just wanted to share something with you real quick. Big thanks to Zynga's Words with Friends 2 for sponsoring this portion of the video. If y'all know, Cullen and I have been longtime fans of Words with Friends. The original version back when we started YouTube, we've loved it forever. So we were super excited about the new version that came out. Now that we have two little kids running around, we run a business together. Most of our conversations and things we communicate about are based on work or kids or life and stress. And so it's really fun to have this little side game going between each other. We can play with each other, we can play with our friends or our family, or we can play with you guys, our friends on the internet. So it's really cool and a great way to relax and unwind at the end of the day, or sometimes, you know, you sneak in a little bit of play during the day when you're doing other things. The new version has been made over and it's really cool. There's new solo challenges, there's fictional characters that you can play, they have lightning rounds, they even have updated themes and characters a couple times a month. Right now they actually have some holiday tiles out, which are super cool. So if you want to try it out, you can use the link below to download and install the app and start playing today. Feel free to look me up. I'm Katie on the flip side and Cullen is Culligan27. We would love to play with you guys. I hope y'all love it as much as we do. Thanks again so much to Zynga's Words with Friends 2 for sponsoring this portion of my video. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Katie on the Flip Side. I am here today with another decluttering video. As some of you may know, we're in the process of selling our house and buying a new house. I know that when I pack up closets and get things put together to move, I want it to be as easy as possible, and I don't want to have to be spending time going through everything. One of the main reasons that we ended up with a lot of the stuff just shoved into closets that we did is because when we moved from our old house, as we were moving, we just said, I don't know if I want to keep any of this stuff. I don't know what's what. Let's just throw it in a box and take it and go. And it gets shoved back in a closet and never looked at again. So I have two closets today that I want to go through, and I want to take you guys through the process. They are storage closets, sort of. When we moved in, we thought, what are we gonna do with these? It looks like where a coat closet should be, but there's regular shelves in there. So they've kind of turned into party storage. I don't even know what all the rest of it is. Let's just look and see what it is. I'm gonna go through it and reorganize it and hopefully make something presentable out of this and hopefully get rid of a good bit of it. Okay, so these two closets right here are in the front. This is our front door, and they're kind of to the side of either front door. So you would think coat closet, but no, they have shelves. So this one, oh my goodness, the disaster it is. It has, I don't even know what all this is. There's a bunch of paper in there, a bunch of different colored paper. These are the party supplies. There's actually a printer in here because there's a plug in this closet. We still haven't figured out exactly why, but this is a pretty good reason. And then there's gift bags up here. This closet on this side is mostly entertaining stuff. So it has like platters and candlesticks and vases and old Halloween candy, some like string lights, all kinds of different like tablecloths, napkins, different decorative fake flowers and bowls. So all of this, I just need to figure out what we want to keep and how to better organize this. So first things first, let's just take it all out. Who knew we had so much glitter? All right, it is all cleaned out. And I am actually gonna leave the printer in here. We use our laptops mostly, and so it's easy to just come in here, plug it into the laptop, and it's hidden away. Nobody sees it, so it works for us, so it's staying in here for now. But oh my gosh, please tell me how all of this stuff came out of this one closet. That is so much stuff. The cat was not in the closet. She just now has to know what all this is. Gracious sakes. All right, first things first, I'm just gonna go through and get out anything that doesn't belong in here. We have previously kept like gift bags in here because it's easy to run in here and get them, but we have all the gift bag wrapping, station wrapping stuff downstairs. So So I feel like that stuff really needs to stay down there so that everything is in one place. Yes, one of the most said things in cleaning out and organizing is, oh my gosh, I've been looking for that. I knew we had a bag of birthday candles somewhere. All right, and fast forward, and I've got the stuff laid out here now sorted. I've trashed and thrown away things that were trash, put away things that needed to be in different places. I did go ahead and put all the paper back in here. Look how organized I used to be. This is from back in college when I sorted and organized all these papers by like hearts, jelly beans, rainbow border. So I went through and just kind of stuck them back in there. I figure at this point, my daughter will love to play with those and color on those as well. And then this is all of the other paper, photo paper, mailing labels, anything else that would be printed on the printer. And then stationery is all organized and sorted in here. So you can just pull it out and easily look through it instead of having a stack in here that's gonna all fall apart when you pull out one thing. So instead of throwing all this back in there like it was before, I'm gonna use some storage bins so that it all stays together and you can easily pull it out. These are some that we already had, so I probably would have been better about getting matching ones if I was planning to live here forever and really wanted to be matchy. This big clear bin is actually going to be used for the gift bags. One thing I have learned from Marie Kondo is about storing things standing up instead of laying down. We've always stored all of our gift bags laying down. So like I would take all those and just pile them in a bin, and then they get lost and they get like rummaged through. But my plan is to stand them up in this bin. Some people are big on putting lids on things, but for this type of thing, I really don't necessarily want a lid on it because I want to be able to just grab it and get it when I need it. A lot of times if there is a lid on something, it'll get something stacked on top of it or it'll get forgotten about. I like for it to be open and easy to just put something back in there. I'm really big on storing things that are similar in plastic baggies and then putting them all together in one bin so that everything doesn't get all tangled up together. All right, so here's your before with all the crap everywhere, and here is the after. It definitely could still use some matching bins if this was gonna be a permanent solution. I'm usually not a fan of using a bin that you can't see through because you're not gonna be able to tell what's in there and stuff will get forgotten about. But right now we're working with what we've got, and I put it low enough so that I can still see into it. With this one, I can still see what's in there. These didn't fit to stand up on any of the shelves, so they're laying down. And then this is low enough that for right now, you can still see what is in there. There we have it. We can open this door now without everything falling out. Woohoo! So although it is the next day, this project actually did not take me that long overall. I just didn't plan it super great and had to leave in the middle of starting yesterday to get the kids picked up from school. So overall, it probably took maybe like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And that's mostly because I was super meticulous about going through things that had just been shoved in piles of paper and boxes and all of that. I just wanted to get it all dealt with and all thrown away or sorted where it needed to be instead of just leaving it all in there like it was before. For the sake of not making this video forever long, I also decided to hold off on the other closet and do that one in a separate video because it is its own animal with different types of sorting and containment issues. So stay tuned. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your messiest closet is or what your junk closet, your area where all the miscellaneous stuff gets thrown. What is that like and where is it located? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more cleaning and organizing and decluttering videos, leave a comment about that below. I've really enjoyed making this video and it's gotten me like itching to clean out more stuff again. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.